Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Sewing Talk Tuesday. My name is Anissa, and I am the Crafty author. And today we're going to talk a little bit about the bibs that I've been working on, and then I want to talk about UFOs. Yes, I have some. So, the first thing I wanted to show you were the little bibs. I've shown you the bibs before, but I wanted to show you that I went ahead and put the little snaps on them. And I think they turned out really cute. And I used my new Cam Snap die. Not the Cam Snap die. Well, yes, I did use Cam Snap dies, but I also used the press, the Cam Snap press, not the little pliers. So I actually have a big press, which put these on beautifully. And I'm going to show you. So you just fold it over and you snap it. And then you unsnap it. And you can adjust the size of the little bib. So, and this is actually reversible. So if you wanted to use the back side of it, you could, because it is adorable too. So I went ahead and did that. I did them in different colors. This one is done in gray. As you can see, the other one was done in yellow. I did the little monster one in green. This one I did in the gray. It's got the soft, cuddle soft back on that one. And then this monster one I did in red. So again, they are reversible. My little bandana bibs. So these fit newborn, I think up to 3 months, because I did make them just a tad bit smaller. I also made 2 more. I did some little girl ones. This one I screwed up royally, so this was my practice one. This is a piece of cotton on the front and flannel on the back. And then this one, I used my overlocking stitch on my sewing machine and used the foot, and I really like the way that turned out on the edges. It just sewed it so well. The only thing I'm concerned about is that it's not super soft, like if you do like just a straight stitch. So I don't know how irritating that would be to a poor baby. So I'm gonna play with that. But I do like the stitch better than just straight stitching. It seems to close everything up and make it look a little more finished, kind of like a serging machine. So I do love that. I have a couple UFOs that I want to talk about, just because some of them have been sitting in here for 5 years. And I'm probably going to need to finish them at some point, but I haven't. But you guys know about this one because you saw me make it. This is the teddy bear one with the minky. That for some reason I haven't been feeling it, so I just put it in the UFO pile in hopes that one day I might want to finish it. I don't know. I pull these out every now and then and I look at them and I'm like, I don't know. Do you have UFOs? Because if you do, let me know. Here's another one that I started. This one is really cute. It's a quilt panel. And I had started quilting on it, and then I just didn't like what I was doing with it. So you can see the quilting that I started doing on it. I was just doing some really cute loop-de-loos, and I just didn't like it. But now that I'm looking at this, I actually think it's kind of cute, and that maybe I should probably finish this. It doesn't have batting in it. I just sewed a piece of the panel, the cloth, or 100% cotton panel, and then I just put a piece of fleece on the, not fleece, flannel on the back. So hopefully one day I will finish this too. Or maybe I'll rip it out and quit batting. No, I'm not going to rip it out. It's going to be what it's going to be. Here's another one that I've made that for whatever reason just didn't feel it. I didn't like the quilting on it. It's like a hot mess, you know? It's just a hot mess. And here's the back. You can see I used some of my decorative stitches, and yeah, I didn't like it. So again, I'll finish it someday. Don't know when. And this one I love. This one is so stinking cute, but I never did get to finishing it either. Don't know why, just never finished it. So this one I probably should finish, but this is a pinwheel quilt that I started for a little girl and never did finish it. Again, this, I think the reason I don't like it is because I was using decorative stitch, and I usually like decorative stitches on a quilt, but I didn't like it the way it looked on the back. On the front, it looks adorable. So I don't know. And I appliqued little hearts in the center, as you can see. I might have this upside down. I do. Sorry about that. But this one is really cute and really soft too. I do love it. I'm thinking about finishing this one, and we'll see. But those are my UFOs that I currently have. I have another one that I've had probably for about 15 years, and I can't seem to locate it. So that tells me that it's probably in a box somewhere in here. Who knows where that could possibly be. So that's what I've got for today. UFOs that need to be finished. At some point I will finish those. And I got some of the baby bibs done by putting the snaps on, which was good. And we are getting ready to go into the holiday season, and so I'm planning and gearing up for that. We need to finish up the Easy Baby Quilt series that we've been working on, so we will do that first, and then I am going to start jumping into holiday projects. And I just want to forewarn you now, during the holiday season, I like to do quilts, I like to do table runners, placemats, napkins, anything for the table setting for your holiday dinners. And also I do wreaths, and I do a lot of other projects. So it isn't just 100% quilting for holiday projects. It's going to be a bunch of different things that you can use for your home, incorporate in your decor and whatnot. So that's going to be fun. This is my favorite time of the year, when we start going into fall and getting into Thanksgiving and Christmas and even Halloween. Even though I don't celebrate Halloween, I certainly like to make little cute decorations for that. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do. And so I thank you for joining me today on The Crafty Author. I know it's kind of short, but wanted to give you those quick updates and talk to you about the UFOs that I have laying around, as I'm sure we all have something. And if you'd like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Make sure you like and subscribe this video. If you subscribe, you will get notified each time that I upload a video. And keep on crafting. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.